So today we're gonna take a little break from the F100 and we're gonna help Caden swap his heads over on his V8 swapped S10. Probably seen this on my TikTok a time or two, but we're finally switching the heads over. And I think he's actually putting some money in the engine now. So we got some aluminum heads we're switching over.
All this thing's got. Oh!
It's got balls.
Did you get this off? So he just bought this truck like, what was it, this time last year, and we have no fucking clue what's done with the engine. Like, this is as far as we've gotten so far. Real question is, what is the bore?
30 over.
Dude, stock bore.
Dude, it has the little glug though. It has the little bit of glug.
And Caden got warm beer, so this is our beer cooler for today. Did you forget a bolt?
Nope.
Crank it!
Buddy!
Well, you ain't using the head again. Get mean.
People aren't trying to go, what a fucking idiot.
My favorite dude that's commenting is the dude that's been doing it for 50 years, and we young folks don't know shit. Like, we're not using the heads again. Beat the fuck out of her, you know?
Buddy, that piston's in good condition.
Damn. Yeah, you got fucking lucky you didn't fuck that piston up.
I got lucky twice.
You lucky bastard. How'd you get lucky?
My fucking freeze out plugs popped out.
Oh, yeah.
I condensed. I mean,
Yeah, at the end of the season, he dropped a valve. Were you running down the track when you dropped it, or you at the house?
I was on the street.
Oh, shit. Yeah, so, good news.
Now, show them the freeze plug down there, too.
Oh, so dumbass left water in it, and it froze and pushed the freeze plug out. So, you know, better than cracking a fucking block.
Or at least one of them.
Okay, what does she say? What does she say?
It doesn't turn it on.
Oh, that's blue balls.
4.06.
God damn. That's 60. We need to pick up some head gaskets. So we pulled the cam out to, you know, figure out what the fuck's in there. And where we're at right now for today is we need to go get his cam to put in this thing because this cam's bullshit. You look so sad, bro.
No, we just have to drive that way to get his cam and that way to get pizza.
Here, just the neighbor.
Shit, that's pretty good. You need to get back to fucking scraping, dude.
Hey, you get the fuck out of here. I bet you Nazar gets here and roasts how safe this is.
How safe it is?
Yeah.
I'm fucking sure.
I guarantee it.
Yeah, we're almost to that super cool part where we get to put the heads on, start putting shit back together. But, you know, someone's taking 10 damn years, bro. I'm talking to you, bro.
I don't know. I don't know what's in the bottom of it. I didn't put the bottom together. I think it's got a crank.
Damn. Okay, she's starting to come together. The heads are worth more than the whole fucking truck, though. That's what's got me fucked up, Caden.
Actually, I paid more for the heads in the truck.
Wait, what?
Now, come on now.
My buddy has a scat pack and I was looking at it and it's still orange.
Yeah.
So this is where we ended for tonight, but we're not in any type of rush. We still got a lot of time. That was gentle.
Oh, there it goes.
And yeah, Cadens moved on to bigger and better things. He's gonna fix the fucking freeze out plug right there. See it just shining. While me and Jose over here got bored, so we're burning the shed. Stay fucking tuned, my friends. Stay fucking tuned. I'm sitting here playing with the selfie stick for the first time. It's kind of cool, ain't it? Yeah. Ain't it, Caden? Oh, and we'll be back at the F100 shit tomorrow, weather providing. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just gonna sit here the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Cheers.